I have a Pentair Intellichlor 1C40 power center and a Pentair 1C40 Intellichlor chlorine generator. The 10-amp fuse in the power center blew, and I replaced the MGC fuse with a H fuse twice and blew 2 such fuses. The second fuse blowing melted a portion of the plastic fuse holder. Now I have the fuse holder to replace, I assume, and I seem to have something in the power center shorting out. Can this be repaired? If so, by whom? Since the unit is 4 years old, would I be better off just buying a new one? Thank you for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.